Hey, it's Kate with WTI. TULA is my favorite skincare, and I am so happy that I have these acne pads by TULA that help me to stay on top of breakouts.
These toner pads come in a convenient little container with a nice pop top that keeps them sealed away. So this is really great to take with you on the go if you're traveling as well. They fit in the palm of my hand, so they're a nice small size, round shape. You see one side has kind of textured bumps and the other side is smooth. And I just really appreciate how these work. They keep my skin balanced. They don't dry it out. With those gentle little bumps, I'm able to kind of do like just a gentle, light little scrub to really make sure that my pores are getting clean. And it's just the perfect thing, nice and easy on my skin, but it helps to keep it clean and helps to keep blemishes down. So it's a total win-win.
These are my go-to when my skin is acting up, and I am so happy with them. My skin absolutely loves TULA products, loves these to help stay on top of breakouts. I highly recommend checking them out and seeing if they might work for you. That's just my point of view.